it looks as if they've finally gone and done it. The fashion designers of the world have pushed the fashion models of the world too far with their extravagant demands for thinness. And what do you think has been the outcome? The models have disappeared altogether. Well, either that or the mega chain store Target actually chose to use 3D holograms instead of humans to model their new collection. But who would prefer that? The high-definition projections danced around on stage like rock band legends belting out a few tunes. And as the girls danced to the music, they of course at the same time showed off the exciting new collection of women's wear. Oh look, there are the models. No, that's not them, they're the designers. There you go, it must be true. The models really have disappeared.